Imagine thousands of acres of farmland, stretching further than the eye can see. No farmers in sight, no tractors roaring, just silence, broken only by the constant hum of machines guided by something invisible. This is the rise of AI-controlled mega-farms. For years, farming relied on instinct, weather patterns, experience, and human hands. But today, something else is making the decisions, something that never sleeps, never tires, and never guesses: artificial intelligence. On these megafarms, AI watches every inch of land using drones, satellites, and sensors buried deep in the soil. It measures soil moisture, plant health, nitrogen levels, even the tiniest signs of disease, long before the human eye can detect them. Then AI sends commands. Robot tractors begin to move. Automated sprayers adjust their nozzles with surgical precision. Irrigation systems shift patterns in real time, delivering water only where plants need it, down to individual rows. Farmers are no longer steering the machines, they're steering the algorithms. AI decides the perfect moment to plant, the exact second to harvest, and the most efficient route for machines to move, avoiding waste, delays, and human error. But behind the efficiency lies a question. What happens when our food systems become completely dependent on AI? Who holds the real power? Farmers or the technology guiding them? But one thing is certain, AI isn't just helping modern megafarms, it's quietly taking control of them. And the future of global agriculture may depend on how we choose to use or regulate this incredible force. What do you think about this? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video.